All right, so this is like number 1 on your interim assessment. We are looking at a histogram here, and it says that these are race finish times. All right, so it looks like down across the bottom are the times, maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 50 minutes, and 60 minutes. And then across the y-axis, we've got the frequency, or how many people finished within that amount. What are the bin widths in this histogram? And when we talk about bin widths, we're talking about what's going on here. Okay, each one of these bars is called a bin when we're talking about a histogram. So the bin widths here are 10 minutes, right? How many runners are in the race? Well, how in the world would we figure that out? We know that the top of these tell us how many people finished within that number of minutes. So to find the total number of people in the race, we're going to have to add all those up. Does that make sense? The height of these bins tells us how many people finished in that amount of time. So for this one, it's 9. And here we've got 13. Here we've got 11. All right, then we've got, what is that, 8? And then 6. Does that look like 6? And then 3. I'm getting old and blind. All right, add those up for us. Okay, good, Mia. Thank you. 50. Does that make sense, Mia? Yeah, you know what's going on, right? All right, so there were 50 total people in the race. How many times were less than 30 minutes? So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to draw a line right down here at 30 minutes. So if I want to know how many people had times less than 30 minutes, what am I going to have to do there? I'm going to add up those 3 bins. So I've got 9 plus 13 plus 11. So what's that, 33? Okay. Does that make sense? Now, what I need to tell you is that on your interim assessment, there is a typo in USA Test Prep. There is a typo in USA Test Prep. And in USA Test Prep, that very first question is supposed to say more than 20. More than 20, okay? So you guys go take your question now and make sure you read it as more than 20.